Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell digital products with Systeme.io. And to do this, first of all, you of course need to log in here and you need to create a funnel. This is the first thing you need to do. You're just going to click create. Now, to create a funnel, you need to write your name. So I'm just going to write down mine like so. And here you need to choose your funnel goal. So if you are selling a product or a service, you're going to choose this one. Now you're going to choose dollar. You're going to choose your currency, whichever you need, and you're going to click save. So now you're just going to click on it. Of course, you can name it however you like. This is just my example. And now when you click on it, as you can see, you can create actually order form, thank you page, and you can actually add a step. So we want to add a step and add a sales page. So let's name it the same and let's click on save. Now, as you can see, you can actually have like a lot of options from the sales page. So for the video, let's just choose the. So I just selected the random template, and then we can customize it later. The same goes for the order form and thank you page. You can choose whichever you like. But first, let's go ahead to our settings and let's create a payment method so the customers could pay for your services. So you just basically go ahead on your profile and click on settings, and here you can actually see the payment gateway, so you want to click on that. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of payment methods you can choose from, but I would suggest to use Stripe because then person can pay with their credit card and so on and so forth. You can also, of course, use PayPal. That goes the same. So let's click connect. Now, once you've done that, you can actually go back to your funnel and we can customize our sales page, order form, and thank you page. So this is however you want to do it. Let's create an order form. So, and now here you want to choose offer type. So let's choose digital product. Now, when you choose the digital product, you want to choose price plans. Now, I didn't connect my payment gateway for now, but basically you choose the price plans and you enter the amount, the price of your digital products. And now once you've done that, you can just click edit page. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of options here to choose from. So you can collect their contact information, which you actually need. But basically, this is how your order form will look like. You can, of course, edit the images and delete them if you don't like them. Edit the buy button. Choose the color, whichever you like. For example, a blue. I will not change much, but don't forget to, for example, put on your logo right here. And after that, you're just gonna save the changes and exit. Now, the same goes for the thank you page. Let's, for example, choose this one or thank you for your purchase. And again, let's edit it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Of course, add your own text and so on and so forth. Add your logo, change the background color like so, and again, exit it. And now what's the most important thing would be emails. So you want to click on email and you're going to click on campaigns and you're going to click create. So let's give it a name, for example, buyers, and save it. Now what you want to do is actually click on it and again go ahead and create. And now you want to select the subject. So for example, thank you for your purchase and the sender name. And you're going to click save. And now you can actually write down your first email. So this is what the customer will get when they buy your product. So thank you for your purchase, and here's a link to your product. So if you're selling digital products, for example, just write something like that, and now you can actually select it and add a link here. And then basically, I'm just gonna write down something like so. Then this link will be here. And yeah, then you're gonna save and publish or just save it. And that's how you set up everything for selling digital products. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.